An RSyncD is a daemon for syncing hierarchies from one machine to another. It runs on a Unix system. It had some kind of a vulnerability in it, and the RSyncD exploited that. So the source code analysis actually showed that it did a buffer overflow and then finally executed some code to actually do that buffer overflow. So this is the analysis of that shell code, which is XORed, so it's obfuscated. And this is the obfuscation stuff, called the XOR decode, and then it did that decode and then finally executed the code, which ended up, there's probably, bin sh down here where it finally executed the shell. So the shell code was obfuscated in itself. It unobfuscated itself, and then it executed itself, and then it actually gave you a shell. And that ran on top of the rsync daemon, which ran with root privileges, which meant when you overflowed that, when you leveraged that vulnerability, you got root permissions on a local system.